When I was installing the AC hose, I realized that I didn't have to take the whole bumper off. I found a better way of doing that. By removing these 4 pins on the top of the bumper and the 2 nuts on the side, you can easily get underneath the bumper and you can place the AC hose where it needs to be in this area right here. And then just push it around and you can get it inside. And this is how I did it. I didn't want to take the bumper off because I was scared I was going to damage the paint job on it. All I need to take off is this hose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a small screwdriver underneath this fender right here to hold it up. It's just rubber. Hold it up. And then the bolt that I'm trying to take off is right here. It's going to be a little harder, but I think it'll work. This one there, so that one go there. This one go. Oh, God. This is going to be the hard part.
Don't drop it.
Yeah. And it's in a very tight place.
Take off the gloves.
I need the gloves so I won't cut myself. It's getting tight. It's just a little, it's kind of tight squeeze in here. Just enough to get an inch in. But it is trying. This is the hardest part. I think that's the tight I'm going to get it. I'll tighten just a little bit more. That's the tight I'm going to get it.
It's done?
Done. Will it work? I don't know. But this is aluminum, so you have to be careful how you tighten it. You can't tighten it too. You don't want to strip anything. But I will double check these tightness. Make sure that they're tight. It's tight. It's tight. Put the antifreeze in it and test it. This one I'm taking off. The thermometer said that it went down to the coldest temperatures. It works.
What you doing?
I'm putting everything back together.